Okay, I'm just going to give you some tips on how to paint your chainsaw muffler. I like to clean it using 3M brake parts cleaner. I really like the 3M product. Then I use Rust-Oleum grill paint. This is black, but it also comes in silver, and it's a lot cheaper than automotive paints. And then just use light, even coats, and we'll get started. You're just going to come across and do nice light, even coats. You can do the mufflers and do several coats, and then it'll smell a little bit when you get started, but it should be good after that.